Alright, so I'm working on something a little different today. It's a wood mini bike picture I'm making on the scroll saw. I never used a scroll saw before, but I had this one laying around for a long time, so I kind of wanted to use it on something. It's an old Craftsman. I had to change the gear ratio here with the different size pulleys, but to slow it down because it was too fast before. Now it's good. I drew up this picture. And I cut out all the pieces. So I'm gonna kind of assemble them on this thing and make them all different heights and different colors. All the pieces in the engine and stuff. I'll do the engine and wheels white, and I'm not sure about the mini bike sign yet, but I had to cut down this frame a little bit to fit on the piece of wood. Pretty interesting using this thing for the first time. I played with a few different blades. I mostly use this one. And this one's a little bit smaller and twisty, so it gets around the tighter corners better. I rounded all the edges with this Dremel, and yeah, I used to be a carpenter, so pretty good at woodworking, but don't do it too much anymore. Alright, we'll see how it turns out. Alright, got this thing all done now. Went pretty good. I ended up using hot glue to glue it all together. It's a little messy, but I figured it was the best glue to use, because if I used like regular wood glue, it probably would have seeped out through all these gaps here. So the hot glue is nice and thick, so it doesn't do that. Went together pretty easy, but some of the letters were hard because I guess the cuts weren't exactly straight, like on the E especially. Probably pushed it a little too hard through the saw, and so the blade probably went a little crooked on it and didn't cut so straight, but I sanded it down with the Dremel and got them to fit in there. I sprayed it with satin, clear satin. Kind of matches the frame good and stuff. Came out really good for my first attempt at woodworking on this scroll saw. Next I'm gonna make this Betty Boop character for my dad's birthday. He likes those 50s stuff. So we'll see how that goes. That might be a little harder because I'm not gonna have it on a background, just the character, so there's gonna be like gaps between the wall and the pieces, so I might have to sand down the back of them with a belt sander. Alright. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.